Here in Anglesey, we have a council plan that's very much geared towards compassionate leadership, really, in terms of the need for people to be respectful, honest, open. It's a learning environment, so setting that learning environment, really. So what we've been doing for a number of years in Anglesey now is embed some of those behaviours in terms of how we work with people. So listening, learning from mistakes. I think setting a learning culture is really important, but also being available and visible to people, communicate with people. I think the other thing that was important is that we were very thankful to our staff about the work that they do. Sometimes people underestimate the value of saying thank you. And what that does is allow a dialogue for people to come back and either be appreciative of that or question that. So I guess in terms of how we measured the successes of some of those pieces of work, we were able to see that our staff sickness was reducing. We were able to rely less on agency staff. We were seeing less of a turnover of staff within children and families, and also we were starting to see some stable practice, some standard practice, which was good for us to see. So the consistency of practice was improving. The need to develop trust, I guess, in terms of how you have a discussion with an individual around sort of performance review matters is important. So there is a need to develop the trust there. And also, again, it's about being open and honest, transparent, and not being afraid to have a difficult discussion, but the manner that you have it is completely different as a compassionate leader. The children and families on Anglesey would be the people that ultimately benefit. If the people that are serving or working with or delivering a service or project with the children and families on Anglesey have been developed, nurtured, listened to, and that they come on the journey with you, the only people that would benefit would be your children on Ynys Môn.